be a deal. But so we talked about airfares. Let's talk again about where we stand in terms of rental cars and hotels and everything connected to travel. Is that also up quite high?
It's way up. Hotels are about 23% above what they were in 2019, but you also have to put that in perspective. There's so many hotels, 60% occupancy, they blocked off the other 40% because they don't have the staff to support it. So they're really operating full with fewer staff, and the rates are up and the services are down. That will stay with us until January as well.
I was looking at Hawaii in February because, get through the holidays and then that's a nice time to get over there. And I was looking at the hotel prices. It was never used to be this high on Maui or Kauai.
Exactly. You want to go the week after Thanksgiving and the week after New Year's. Other than that, you're rolling into President's Weekend and then we're rocking and rolling for the rest of next year in Hawaii. Those fares have not come down at all.
Very quickly, I was thinking because, Mike led into this talking about the middle seat. Inevitably, I get stuck in the middle. I'm not a big person, and even if I'm not there, I'll move over for someone. But man, I get tired of getting stuck on the tarmac. That last experience really just kind of burned me from airfare. How's that going in terms of, getting stuck?
I'm going to make a suggestion here and a wild guess. You got stuck in the middle seat because you booked your fare online, didn't you?
Well, yeah.
Uh-huh. Well, you didn't have a conversation because the inventory that you're seeing online with those online travel agencies is not the total inventory of those available seats. You need to have a conversation with the airline directly, even a travel agent, because what they're looking on their screens is not what you're seeing on yours. And if you don't, you're stuck in the middle seat next to the two sumo wrestlers.
How long am I waiting on hold, though, to get to someone?
You call at 1 o'clock in the morning.
You do get up at 3 anyway, so can't argue with the man. She throws up her hands. KNX travel editor Peter Greenberg. Peter, thanks. Call at 3 in the morning. Let's check your money now. Steve Bodison.
Well, Hasbro's summertime sales pulled back because its retailer customers started shopping for the holidays earlier than that, and because shipping less. Now, Hasbro says retailers got an early start in hopes of avoiding the supply chain backups that made last Christmas such a challenge, and inflation made consumers more sensitive to price increases. Big Tech's been putting the brakes on hiring and has been cutting jobs. Microsoft did that this week. Business Insider says Microsoft laid off about 1,000 workers across the company. Microsoft says only that it will continue to hire in key growth areas in the year ahead. Day so far for stocks are now up 450 points. NASDAQ 8160, S&P ahead now 54. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg Steve Potusk from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Vice President on the move. If you're stuck, we're going to tell you more. Stay tuned.
The voices you trust are on LA's Morning News.
For me, there's the obvious breaking news part of the job, but there's also just this curiosity, right? Because this is such an interesting place, and I want to pull those threads. It goes to unexpected places, and then once I figured some of it out, it's like I have to tell somebody, and I'm going to tell all of you.
Hear Mike Simpson on LA's Morning News.
Weekdays on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like chimps, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com.
Earn a lump sum payout after your first year at Vitas. Our Difference Maker program recognizes nurses for their commitment to care for patients at the bedside. Apply today at careers.vitas.com and receive your lump sum payout after year 1.
Let's begin your reading. I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5-year pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
The listening you love is on the free Odyssey app. Your trusted local stations, coverage of your favorite teams, live news from your hometown, and millions of podcasts. Best of all, you can completely customize your listening experience. Follow topics you care about, like pause pause or rewind your local sports and news, and add shows to your queue to catch up later to listen to. So get started and download the free Odyssey app today.
The United States Deputy Sheriff's Association is a national nonprofit and the largest non-governmental provider of services to law enforcement. The USDSA assists city, county, state, and federal agencies with free safety equipment donations and officer survival, along with cash donations to families of law enforcement officers who perish in the line of duty, college scholarships for the children of law enforcement, a citizen awareness program, and more. For more information on
I feel your pain. I get it. One woman called up and said, I've been here for an hour. What's happening? I said, one word. Well, two. Kamala Harris. Kamala. How about one word? Kamala. All right, so she got on at sunset. They had everything shut down at sunset at the 405. I wish I could take a picture of the 405, a screenshot of these dark red lights for, I don't know, it's got to be 20 miles. Literally starting at the valley floor around the 118, 405, going south into this boulder pass. So I got a tip call from another woman saying she'd been stuck on there for 25 minutes, hadn't moved, and she was starting to move now. We'll start closing other little on and off ramps off the 405 as well. So just expect that. But, you know, her flight's at 8:20, so it's not going to be long. You'll be going on the 405 south at sunset, but there's this whole rippling effect that's got you backed up all the way to the 118 across the valley floor. So it's going to take a while to clear all that up. All right, let's go to Scotty's flying in the Southern California 208 English Sky 3.
Okay, got a couple of problems on the 405 in Long Beach. First of all, South 405 right around Orange Cherry. There was a bad injury crash, car pole, plane taken out. That's going to back you up through at least the 710. There was also 405 north of Bellflower in the right lane. So heavy for the 605, it'll continue sluggish through the Long Beach area. Than anyone west 605 and Paramount, both those problems are gone now, but still a tough ride getting over through the 710.
My next traffic report is at 8:05 from the 40 Hills Hyundai 24-hour traffic center.
Getting warmer today and into tomorrow, so 70s, 80s, some 90s.
More on the Vice President's movements. You need to know about that, and also what's happening at LA City Hall, and so much more as LA's Morning News continues. So stay with us.
There you go.
7:57.
Wildfire smoke. Let's talk about this. It can go thousands of miles. Harmful pollutants and chemicals in there. You can breathe it in, you know, because it's in the air. So it threatens the outdoor air quality, it threatens the indoor air quality. But IQ Air has you covered. Clean Air Zone. You can create this against the smoke and other stuff at home. They have patented hyper HEPA filters. They capture 99.5% of the harmful pollutants, those found in smoke included. So the best-selling Health Pro Plus, it covers more than 1,100 square feet. It can protect you against viruses, bacteria, allergens, smoke, and smells. When you're driving around, you can use the Autumn, the car purifier, to protect the air quality while you're on the road. A solutions expert can help you out. Any questions, I'll be happy to answer. 409-6202, iqair.com/US. The promo code's radio, 5% off all the residential systems. iqair.com/.
I'm Jack Myers, host of the Legends and Leaders podcast at Media Village. The one constant truth leaders share is the importance of a diverse workforce. That's why MediaVillage.com is hosting Black Talent Outreach Week, October 17th through 20th. Register free and apply at MediaVillage.com. My conversations with Byron Allen and other leaders at legendsleaders.org.
This week in music, Green Day has announced a new album's 25th anniversary. Available as a 3-disc CD and 5 LP vinyl collection in January. It includes previously unreleased demos as well as a full live recording from a '97 concert in Philly. Switchfoot has released a new song called California Christmas, an original track off the band's upcoming holiday compilation. Will be released November 4th. For more, visit Odyssey.com.
Hey, I'm Phoebe Redwood, host of Beyond Black History Month. Reason number 568 million of why you should be listening. From in-depth reporting on the shortage of black sperm to how one House of the Dragon star is dealing with online trolls who don't love seeing black dragon riders.
I can't lose sleep beyond my control.
Listen and subscribe to Beyond Black History Month on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
From thegetrefunds.com